itemi ria kwaragura urimi wa kahua thiini wa gitaru kia Afrika irathiro anyiti itemi a urimi na wendia wa kahua kuma mabururi maria mari gitaru-ini giki ni macemanitie mwena wa Mombasa itemi ria kwarira mitaratara ya kurunga urimi wa kahua uria kaingi utungagwo ni mihinga itiganite. Mamwe ma maundu maria mariririo thiini wa Kigomano giki ni mendikithia kuri thirikari cia mabururi maria mari gitaru-ini giki mateithiririe ari kwarira mitaratara mikinyaniru ya kung'ethanira na mihinga yothe ri kuretwe kihotomia urimi wa kahua.
When you look at the setup of the coffee value chain, the farmer is a taker of the small amount that remains at the very end of the coffee value chain, and we believe that this has adversely affected the living income of the farmer, leading to a very unstable coffee production. Who is going to produce coffee if there's not getting money from the coffee?
Nao arimi ni moritio mahibiri urimi wa kahua na merutanirie niguo kuingihia magetha mao undu uria gucangira hanene hari kwandandura thoko ya kahua.
Market is ready in the EU. What the EU is telling us is that please produce much coffee as you can.
We actually are trying to see how to improve not only productivity but how do we find the right market for coffee.
Kigomano giki kiria gikoretwo gigithii na mbere kuma muthenya wa gatatu gitanyitwo guteithiriria ari kurunga mitaratara ya wonjoria kuma kuri murimi wa kahua nginya thoko-ini cia nja. Wa Jerometa, Inooro TV.